Hi, my name's Lawrence, and thank you for showing interest in the Recording for Hypnotherapists 6-week online course. The aim of this course is to allow you to be able to create the best quality hypnosis audio recordings you can from the comfort of your own home using the equipment that you most likely already have. Now, the way that the course works is that it's broken out over a series of weeks. Each week, you get about an hour of pre-recorded content that's been broken down into bite-sized bits of information. The first week is Recording Basics 101. And by the end of that first week, you'll know how to be able to do a hypnosis recording. Then each week we build on that skill. So in the second week, we look at various different effects that can help to clean up or enhance the quality of your recording. In the third week, we look at things like background music and binaural beats. In the fourth week, we look at things like productivity hacks and podcasting 101. And in the fifth and sixth weeks, we look at various ways that you can take this out to become more practical, to attract clients to you, and to be able to create even your own online course if you wish to. And at each step of the way, we also have group Zoom calls where you can bring any questions that you might have around the lessons, and we can be able to answer them for you or to explore how you're going to be able to utilize this new skill. I'm pleased to say that everyone that's done this course to date has told me how much they get out of it, how it's actually a lot more than what they even anticipated. And I'm confident that even if you have some knowledge around recording, you're still going to be able to get something from this training. If you have any other questions, then please feel free to contact me. And you can do that via email on Lawrence, Lawrence, @releasehypnosis.com.au. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you on the next course. Speak to you soon.